Welcome to Digital Toolbox. Today we're going to go over the benefits of using blocks. So right now I have a curve that forms a y-flange beam, and I'm just going to join them into one curve. And then to create this as a block, I'm going to select the object and then type in block into the command line. And it's going to ask for a point, and I'm going to use the center of the object. So I'm going to go in and pick the centroid. And I'm going to name it wide flange 01. And you can name it anything you want. You can go into description, name, and describe what it is. Also, you can put the URL where you found your object or your product. So I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to copy this block now 3 times. Just so you guys can see what the benefits of the block is. And to make sure it's a block, you can click on the object and click on details, and it'll say block instance. So I'll check if this one is too. So they're all blocks. And let's say we did the model and we want to go back and change these y flanges into, instead of a 1 foot depth wide flange, we want to change to a 16-inch wide flange. But we just want to change one and everything will change. So to do that, the first thing you need to do is to make this not a block anymore. So to do that, you're just going to click on explode, and if we click on details now, it's now just a curve and not a block instance. So if I scale this in one dimension and just make it larger, and then I'm going to create this as a block again, and I'm going to put that at the same center point, and it'll ask me block 01. I'm going to zoom out so you guys can see the effects. So I'm going to say, I'm going to rename it as the same name as wide flange 01. And then it'll ask if you're going to replace the existing wide flange 01, and we'll say yes. So now everything changes to a wider or a bigger depth, so we don't have to change it individually one by one. And also, to change your block description, you can go into block manager by typing in block manager, and now you can go in here and you can browse and you can link it to other files. You can unlink things if this was linked to a different file. You can export this geometry to a different Rhino file or another file, and various other things. You can also go into properties and rename the definition, the block definition, and you can link or embed and other stuff. So that's how you use the block, and thanks for watching.